Just act like you own the car.
How do you act like you own the car?
You act like you know where you're going.
Where are we going?
Naughty Pines.
What do you gotta go to Naughty Pines for?
So I can meet my man and tell him, hey, Greg, how you doing? I mean, it's so nice to see you. I just got robbed of $200,000. I enjoyed it. What? By her uncle. Who? Her uncle. I mean, is this science fiction or what?
What do you gotta tell him that for?
Because that money don't belong to me.
Okay, then you tell him that I'm gonna get the money back from you, that I'm gonna handle it.
How are you gonna do that?
Just stop whining. Trust me, I'm gonna get you the money.
Listen, if you can do that for me, I'm gonna thank you. I'm gonna give you 100 million thank you.
Well, you can start thanking me right now.
All right, what's your vote? Thank you.